Carolina Waterman. I am the CEO of Top Writing Services Incorporated. My TikTok tribe calls me Egg Writer. Today's topic is video marketing tips for success. I love doing video. I've been doing it quite often for the past 5 or 6 months. Hey, thanks for joining me. And I'm going to be giving you all of my secrets and best tips and advice for doing videos. Just to give you a little bit of a bio, I started doing video marketing heavily on all social media platforms except for Twitter the last week of December. And then COVID-19 hit and I started to realize, hey, this is not something that I should just be doing every once in a blue moon. This is a trend and it has been helping me get leads and customers every week on Instagram. And now just recently on LinkedIn. So I'm just going to go through a bit of my agenda here. First thing I'm going to be talking about is your message, how to have fun in your videos, how to be creative, how to be inspiring, and how to educate people, because at the end of the day, people visit our website and our social media platforms for their own needs more than ours. So I'll quickly get into it. Hi, thanks so much for joining. Today's topic is video marketing. So when you start off with your videos, you have to have a message and you need to know exactly what you're going to say. You have to figure out how you're going to say it and your location, what colors you're going to use. I know it sounds a little bit odd that we have to worry about our colors, but I have a strategy each and every time I get in front of a video. I purposefully wore this shirt because I know it stands out when I upload it on YouTube or share it with my LinkedIn connections. People are going to stop and watch. Now, if I just wore a plain white shirt or a plain black shirt, most people would probably skip through it, but because this shirt is bright, it catches people's attention. I purposefully know exactly what I'm going to wear when I do videos every day, whether it's on TikTok or here for Instagram. Other than your message, you want to be able to answer the frequently asked questions that people are going to ask you. The reason why I say that is because you really want to save your time not answering phone calls and not answering emails for little things that could have been answered in the beginning, the middle, and at the end of your video. I always tell people when you're doing content for the internet, you want your videos, your infographics, your captions, everything that you do to speak while you are sleeping, while you're on vacation, and while you are doing your business or at work. So if there's any way that you can think about the 5 W's, who, what, where, when, and why, even how, you can add that in there. Try to get everything jam-packed into that 2, 3, 30-minute video, whatever it is that you're going to do, and make sure that every sentence and word counts. To give you some video tips as far as time is concerned, I definitely don't go more than 3 minutes on IGTV. Every once in a while, you'll see me get at 3 minutes and 49 seconds, but it's usually because I'm wrapping it up. 3 minutes minimum, I'd say maximum on LinkedIn. Unless you have the LinkedIn Live feature, I would highly recommend that you don't go no more than 3 minutes. The average time spent on LinkedIn is 6 minutes for most people. So imagine you have a 20-minute video. Chances are less than maybe 2% are going to sit there and watch it because they're at work, they're busy, or they just don't want to go through all that content. When you're doing your TikTok videos, if you're on TikTok, I highly recommend that even though they give you a 1-minute option, definitely keep it between minimum 11 seconds, no more than 15 seconds. And I say that because I've tested it tried and true. I've gone from 25 followers on TikTok. Hi, thanks for joining. I've gone from 25 followers on TikTok 4 months ago to I'm getting close to 1,400 followers, which is crazy because I'm going to reach more of the followers than I have here on Instagram, although I've been on Instagram for about 2.5 years. So when you're on TikTok, make sure those videos are nice and short, straight to the point, add a caption at the top. People on TikTok generally have a short attention span, so if you don't put at least a caption for the hearing impaired in your videos, whether you're doing music or you're promoting your designs, definitely let people know, my top 5 favorite hip-hop artists or my top favorite designs I've done in 2020. Let them know, don't waste people's time, get straight to it. Other than captions in your TikTok videos and things of that nature, I'm going to switch over to YouTube. I definitely would say that if you're going to start a YouTube channel, make sure that your videos are a minimum of 5 minutes. Anything less than that, people are going to be they're probably just going to stream and probably not look on your the rest of your channel. Let's take, for example, when I stream YouTube videos, I'm looking at literally at a flat screen. So I'm using a channel changer. So if somebody films a 3-minute video, which happens quite often with even some of the big influencers, I'm probably not going to click on their page to see what else is out there. I'm probably just going to let the YouTube channel just switch to the next video, or I'll reverse out and go to somebody else's longer video. It's the name of the game on YouTube. When you're doing marketing for your top 5 this, or this is how you do this, you definitely want to keep it at a minimum of 5 minutes and above. Twitter, I think there's a 2-limit function there. I used to do it on Twitter as far as sharing videos, but I stopped. But those are the test and tried things that I've been using. Instagram Reels, definitely get into it. I've, again, used videos from TikTok, added it on Reels, had hundreds of views within a couple of days, a couple of hours. I think it's getting a little oversaturated now, but one thing I can sit here and say is, if you're doing Instagram Reels every day like myself, they actually put your videos straight to the Explore page, which is where everybody wants their content to show. The Explore page, if you're not familiar with it, it's a little magnifying glass at the bottom of our Instagram option, and that gives us access to get not just in front of our followers, but all the people that are kind of scrolling in their Explore page. So definitely take advantage of Instagram Reels every morning, first thing. I say in the morning because what I'm noticing now is my views are not as high, but if I get that video out there first thing in the morning, I notice the views start to jump up a bit versus doing it at night and hoping that it will go up. So there's some Instagram Reels tips. Next thing, have fun. I have fun with my videos all the time. Every once in a blue moon, I like to do a challenge on TikTok, which kind of forces me to show awkward moments of me visiting my family, or my favorite fruit, or my little home garden that I have. So try to show personal sides of yourself. Marketing, it's not just, showing your products and services. It's really showing heartfelt moments of who you are. As long as you're comfortable with showing this information. Hi, thanks for joining. Thanks so much. Video marketing is the topic today. So have fun with your videos. People really, truly want to see a different side of us each and every day on social media. This is the main reason why you do not see me sharing marketing and branding every single day. I'm sorry to tell it, but I'm sure some people probably get tired of that, which is why you're now seeing me switch up to a selfie. I take a walk, I have a little nature walk, and I take a selfie. I want to show you what I'm up to when I'm not doing videos. I want to show you that I have a beauty side where I like to wear a little bit of makeup, and I like to do a selfie. And then if you check out my Instagram Reels, I have goofy videos where I'm like pretending like I'm my mom, and then I'm my dad, and I just come home to visit them, and they're like putting me to work, and that really happens. So I'm really doing my best to show each and every one of who I am, because the truth is, people don't buy products and services. They first have to fall in love with who you are. There's something about you, your personality, your bio, your story, why you do what you do, which gravitates people towards your products and services. Because let's face it, what we do, millions of people on this planet do. There are 7.5 billion people on the planet, and almost close to 1 billion people here on Instagram. So how are we going to stand out? Absolutely. And other than having fun with your video marketing, be creative. Be creative means thinking about topics every week and making sure that you are consistent and having fun, maybe filming in different sides of your home, filming outside, filming inside, filming you and your family when you're up at the mountains, maybe enjoying a nice weekend before winter comes. And creativity, it comes with time. You'll test topics and see what works, and you'll start to notice that people will like certain things over other things. Just pay attention to that. Give people what they want to see, because we're all here on Instagram to promote ourselves, show our best selves. Filming with family. Yes, that is definitely a great idea if you're comfortable with it. And I say that for more of a branding than a video marketing side, because sometimes people, I'll give you an example. On TikTok, for example, or even on LinkedIn, I notice people talking about their children now. People are treating LinkedIn a lot like Facebook with their videos. And some people are filming their child, drawing at their table, doing cartoons, and they will just say something family oriented, like this is my son at nighttime working on his homework, and like little videos like that, just to see a little glimpse of who you are and what you do. And if you do run a business where your children can help you, it doesn't hurt to show your children helping you, pack up products, or, put tape on your, your nice little featured boxes, or helping you paint. So Sushi says, TikTok is banned in my country, so I'll use LinkedIn. Yes, I heard about that. In India, it is banned, and I was really sad to hear that because there were a lot of Indian influencers that were really enjoying the TikTok. But I believe you guys have... you guys might be using another app in your country. I'm not sure what it is, but you can fill me in the comments. But LinkedIn is great. I have a lot of people in my connections from Bangladesh and India, and they're graphic designers, freelancers, and people that work at big companies. So yes, definitely be creative when you're doing your videos. Inspiring people. When you're doing videos, you want to inspire people. You want to make people feel that whatever it is that you offer, you can help them get through that journey of success. Whether it's, let's say you have, what kind of products do you have, Sushi? Let me know in the comments, and I can kind of help you out there on some inspirational content. But I guess the way that I do it, in my Instagram Reels video this morning, I had a video where I had like really beautiful classical music in the background, and I was saying people, don't be afraid to be yourself on social media. Don't worry about a trolling comment or a negative comment. You have to stay focused. You have to show up every day on social. I said something like that, and I got quite a bit of content. So you're a beginner? Okay, that's okay. We all started somewhere. So that's inspirational content. So sometimes I'm going to talk about the writing, the branding, and the marketing, but then I'm going to go off a bit and say something inspiring, because I know that even though I talk about best practices here on Instagram, on YouTube, etc., not a lot of people are going to have the confidence or the creativity, or maybe they feel they lack the talent. But every once in a blue moon, I'll come up with an inspirational video inspiring you and everybody else watching that you can do it too. You can be successful too, whatever it is that you're selling or promoting on the internet. And then the last part I have here is education. You want to create education. Think of your video marketing as a blog. When you start with the blog, you have a title, then you have the middle section, and then you have a conclusion. Exactly. And so when you're creating education online, it's you have to think of it as when a stranger comes on your Instagram page, they don't know who you are, where you live, what you do, and how you can help them. But let's say they start following you for whatever reason. If you have a lot of educational content that is saying who, what, where, when, why, and how, and you're sharing it in a way that anybody can understand, that actually attracts business, it attracts customers, it attracts followers and people that want to be in your online community that maybe also want to be like you one day. So try to create real nice education that again is fun, creative, it inspires people, and it lets people know all of the frequently asked questions so that you save your time from answering phone calls, answering messages, and answering emails. So that's it for video marketing. I definitely want to answer any questions. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about anything that you've seen me here share on Instagram, or if you have questions about video marketing. I'll stay here for another 5 minutes and answer them. If you haven't been on any of my other Instagram lives, I've been going live Monday through Friday for the past, I'd say about 3 months. And I have a lot of other videos that I don't share here on my IGTV. So definitely click link in bio, check out my YouTube channel. I have probably way over 50 videos about marketing, branding, social media. I talk about TikTok, LinkedIn, tips for strategies, hashtag strategies for LinkedIn, a lot of helpful tips that I did live here. And then can you elaborate on video marketing? Absolutely. So how can I say it? Video marketing is kind of like, think of yourself being at a networking event, or maybe you're at work and everybody meets in the lunchroom and the managers are there and everybody's there and everyone starts talking about the projects that they're working on and how their kids are doing. That's kind of like the best way that I can describe the video marketing, is really thinking in the mind of your potential customer. And they come on your page or your YouTube channel or your TikTok page or LinkedIn, and they want to know what you can do for them, what you offer, the benefits of what you offer, how long you've been in your industry, the challenges that you face, but then the lessons learned, the benefits of using XYZ lipstick or this graphic design program. And that's video marketing in a nutshell. It's really just creating really short videos or long educational videos more on YouTube that can really help people understand how you can help them. And the more that you can help people by sharing all of this information in a video, the more leads that you'll get, the more customers you'll get, the more trust that you'll build. And this is a part of the reason why I do videos every day. Yes, I love doing videos, but I can say that for my business, it is helping me out so much, because our videos speak more to what people want to see than a photo and a caption. So when you're video marketing, just think of marketing as a fancy word for building a relationship with a complete stranger. So the last thing you want to do in your videos is say, this is my product, it's 50% off, buy it today. That's a commercial, that's sales. So on the internet, we want to take a back seat from sales, put sales away, put that for another day. Marketing is just building a relationship, and the more videos you share on your profile, on all of your profiles, even on Twitter, if you want to, take your TikTok videos and cut it down to 2 minutes, the more people will trust you. So video marketing, it's just creating information so that with time, people will trust you. And I can say for myself that I've had more people come to me every week and every day for my services than I did when I only shared a lot of photos on Instagram. So definitely take advantage of videos every day if you have the time and you can. My name is Sheetal, by the way. Hi Sheetal, my name is Makita. It's nice to meet you, and I appreciate you joining me on my Instagram live tonight. I know are you 6 or 8 hours ahead in your country, or do you live in North America? But yeah, so I just wanted to go live to say that. Tomorrow I'm going to go live. I'll probably open up the floor for questions, and I'll be going live again the same time. So that's like 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. And if you're in Pacific Central Time, that's about 8 p.m. I'm going to continue to go live Monday through Friday. My last day, though, for my marathon will be on September 22nd. And then after that, I'll be going live while you're in India. Okay. And then after that, see you tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining, Sheetal. And then after that, I'm going to be just going live every Monday and Friday. So thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to my page, click the follow button. And again, if you want to check out more of my content and lives that I've shared in the past several months, check out my YouTube channel. Click link in bio. Have a good night, everybody, or good morning. Take care. Bye, Sheetal.